Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how I made wooden texture on stuff for my Elune cosplay from World of Warcraft. I wrapped 10mm EVA foam around PVC pipe and then I started carving grooves with X-Acto knife. I made them a bit wavy so they look more natural. I know that a lot of people use wood burning tools for this part, but I find carving a lot easier and more convenient since I don't have to wear a face mask. To be honest, this process took a lot longer than I expected, about 3 hours to finish it. I heat sealed the foam, primed and painted it dark blue because I was using the darkest shade as base. Then I applied a layer of light blue acrylic paint using a sponge. This way the grooves remain dark blue. Make sure the sponge is damp so it doesn't soak up all the paint. Once the paint was dry, I took a brush and started painting highlights with white acrylic paint. If you want to create natural wood effect using this technique, just use shades of brown instead of blue, and for the highlights, I recommend using light brown instead of white. If you want to see more progress, check out my social media, and if you want to see more tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, bye!